Mr. President, there is a phrase in the Irish language, it's féidir. It may seem familiar. Translates as, yes, you can. In that spirit, and in a spirit of friendship between our two countries, I am pleased to present you this bowl of shamrock. I thank you once more for your kind welcome to the White House, and I wish a very happy St. Patrick's Day to you, to your family, and to the American people. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Let me try that again. It's Peterlin, huh?
It's féidir.
It's Féidir. All right, I got that. Yes, we can.